My dear technician, there was a day I posted a video and I show you guys how you can use your phone as a microscope. So a lot of people ask me question, Father Joe, please show us the app and show us how we can be able to install it on our phone and also on our laptop. So without time wasted, come let me show you. So right here, this is my phone. I'm using Android phone. Check this out. So this is my Android phone, and right here, this is my laptop. Okay, you can use any type of laptop. You can use Mac OS, you can use Linux, you can use Windows like this. Okay, so in this video I will show you Windows. Okay, you can also install in your Mac and Linux device. Okay, check this out. Right here, you need to install this application. You can see this application. Check this out. Okay, so this is a webcam. So this is what you have to do. You come to your browser. Check this out. So you come to your browser here. So for me, I use Chrome browser. Okay, so you can use Chrome browser. Then here, search for this. Okay, you can see I don't need to mention it. So right here you can see the name of the webcam. Check this out. Search for it. So check this out. Make sure you click this one. Okay, open this one. So right here you can see the webcam here. So just go for your operating system. So for me, I'm using Windows. So I'll go for my Windows. Okay, I'm using Windows, so click Windows if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac OS, okay, which is the Apple device, then you go for this one. Then if you are using Linux, you go for Ubuntu. Right here you can see webcam for Ubuntu. So for me, I'm using Windows, so I'll go for Windows. Okay, check this out. So this is the app after you have download and install. Okay, for me, I've already download and install. So after you have download and install the app, you find it here. Make sure you double click it. So when you double click it, it's going to open like this. Okay, you can see it's going to open like this. Now check this out. Let me show you how you can install it on your Android phone. The same thing with iPhone. For Android, go to Play Store. So just search Play Store. Okay, just click search and type the name of the app. Okay, click and open, and right here you can see I've already installed it. Just open after installing and you're good to go. You can see waiting for connection. Okay, my dear technician, you can see my dear technician, when you're done installing the app in your laptop and also in your mobile phone, okay, the next thing is Wi-Fi. You need a Wi-Fi. Okay, you can use your, if you have two phones, okay, you can use one and turn on the hotspot of that phone so that you can be able to connect to your laptop and also to the phone that you want to use as a microscope. You get my point now, right? Okay, if you don't have another phone, you only have one phone. Okay, if you don't have another phone, you only have one phone, and that's the only phone that you have, and you want to use it as a microscope. Okay, you need a Wi-Fi. You need a Wi-Fi. You need either a portable Wi-Fi or you need a broadband like this. So this is MTN broadband. You can get any broadband, you can get any Wi-Fi, any network Wi-Fi. Okay, just get a Wi-Fi and then make sure that your Wi-Fi is on. Connect your system to the Wi-Fi and also connect the phone that you want to use as a microscope to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, after that, the next thing is for you to come to this app, the app that you download. Come, let me show you. So this is the app. You can see, show my laptop. So let me turn on. Immediately I turn on. Oh, show like this. Immediately I turn on, you will see want to ready and go. Check this out. It's going to show here. Check this out. Just wait a minute. and boom guys, you can see it works like magic. You can see it works like magic. Okay, it works like magic. Now let me go back. You can minimize it. Check this out. And guys, let me show you something. Show my face. Check this out. So this is the broadband I'm using broadband. Okay, and this broadband is connected to this phone. You can see the Wi-Fi is connected. You can see Father Joe, so it's connected to this phone, and it's also connected to this laptop. Come, camera, come. So you can see Father Joe internet too. Check this out, Father Joe internet too. So it's also connecting to here. Okay, if you have any question concerning this, you're free. Ask me question right now if you have any question. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. And I'll be all. Bye for now.